We are here today at the newly renovated house located in the breathtaking Tamarama suburb of Sydney. This clifftop home overlooking the ocean has undergone a complete overhaul, including the replacement of its 4 bathrooms. The vision of this renovation is to return the house to its former glory of over 20 years ago. The builder's task was to use the most durable and reliable materials to combat the harsh waterfront environmental conditions. During the renovation, the builders stumbled across the original Geberit concealed cisterns, still in perfect working order after 2 decades of use. We've had the chance to speak with Anthony and Phil, the builders overseeing this prestigious project, to learn why they chose Geberit concealed cisterns again for this major renovation. Join us as we explore the success story of Geberit cisterns in this harsh environment and the impact they had on this exceptional renovation project.
We're in Tamarama, right behind the Surf Lifesaving Club. I think we've got about 4 or 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, laundry, but yeah, pretty huge house right on the ocean. This job started as a freshen up, and as you can see, we don't need to freshen up anymore. And really, we're sort of basically trying to bring it back to what it was 20 years ago. The ocean is very harsh on steel and aluminium.
Like the clients told us that televisions don't last longer than 6 months. Even we noticed the tools, they start playing up after 5 months. Harsh conditions, yeah, that close. I mean, it's virtually 50 metres to the water's edge.
We absolutely want something that's going to last forever, and that was the only thing that they wanted, so I think Geberit fit that bill perfectly.
Due to varying bathroom designs, the integration of both Geberit standard and under concealed systems became essential, usually leading to different flush buttons. However, we were able to offer a flexible design solution with our adapters to achieve the same flush button for all 4 bathrooms, a crucial element for a cohesive design.
The client's getting exactly what they want. They're matching buttons throughout the house, even though they're using different systems. He's worked out a way that we can use all the same buttons throughout the house. As a general rule, I don't want the system to leak as the builder. If I'm burying something in the wall that's full of water, I want to have confidence that it isn't going to sprout a leak and give me grief in a year, 2 years. These ones have been here for 20 years and there was no issue with them.
The plumber actually pointed out how easy it is to install because of for the frame, for example, and yeah, the accessibility, it's sensational.
Yeah, well, look, with the harsh conditions, we want the best products in here. We want to know that we've got the reliability of whatever we put in, especially if we're burying it in the wall, as a cistern, for example, that it is going to survive. If I have the option of choosing a cistern, I will always choose Geberit. I have had issues with other cisterns in the past. I've never had any issues with Geberit cisterns.